Welcome to the Checkout Guide. In today's video, I'll show you how to hide a payment method for specific products or collection using the Next Reorder app. So this is useful when you want different payment option for different products in your store. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Let's get started. First, we can go to the app section. Here we can click on Next Reorder app. So here we can choose the payment method and here can click on quick hide payment method. Okay, here we can give the name like hide COD for products. So the rule status is activated. Here the payment method I'm choosing cash on delivery. Okay, now we can apply the condition. For that, click on add condition and here we can choose the product in cart. Okay, add the condition. So here we can select the products. Okay, here it is. In this. Okay, now click on select. Okay, now here in rule preview we can see the high cash on delivery is for these two products. Okay, now before that we can go to the checkout section and here in this product we can see that there is cash on delivery option already for this product. So when we create the rule, let's check so that here click on save. Okay, the rule has been created now. Now let's check the checkout section and we can refresh it. Okay, here for this product, we can see that the cash on delivery option is hidden now. So because here we create the rule already for that product, we hide the cash on delivery, the condition we already applied. So that's it. So this help you control payment method for specific products or collections, making checkout safer and more flexible for your business. So that's it. Now you have successfully hidden a payment method for specific product. So using the Next Reorder app. So that's it. If you found this helpful, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.